Hello again. Today we are going to be covering section 10.2, which is on probability. Okay, so the probability of an event is a number that measures the likelihood that the event will occur. Okay, so we're talking about events, so the vocab from last section is not going away. We are going to use it further in this chapter. Okay, so you want to make sure you're comfortable in knowing what all of our terms mean. Okay, so probabilities are between 0 and 1, including the 0 and 1. Okay, so you can think of it in numbers, or a lot of times we think about our probabilities in percentages. Okay, so you see we have this scale here. Okay, so 0 means it's like impossible of happening, and 100% means that it is certain in happening. Okay, and then we have our other terms that range from unlikely to equally likely to not happen or not happen. So that would be our 50% range. And then likely, this event is likely to happen. Okay, so it gives us just some examples with using those terms. Okay, so we have to describe the likelihood of the event. Okay, so it says there's an 80% chance of thunderstorms tomorrow. Describe the likelihood of the event. Okay, so 80% is like above that 75%, but it's not quite yet 100%, right? So we would say that this event, the chance of thunderstorms happening tomorrow, would be likely. Okay, so because 80% is close to 75%, it is likely that there will be thunderstorms tomorrow. Okay, obviously with the rain, you really never even know. Number 2, the probability that you land and jump on a snowboard is a half. Describe the likelihood of this event. Okay, so this event, landing on a jump on a snowboard would be equally likely to happen or not happen. So you notice we are just using the same vocabulary words that are in this chart they give us. Okay, and then lastly it says there's a 100% chance that the temperature will be less than 120 degrees tomorrow. I could probably say that with certain actually in New Berlin, Wisconsin. Describe the likelihood of this event. Okay, so this is certain. Okay, next. We are talking about finding the probability of an event. Okay, so we define probability of an event when all possible outcomes are equally likely. The probability of an event is the ratio of the number of favorable outcomes to the number of possible outcomes. The probability of an event is written as P parentheses event. Okay, so you just read that as P event. Okay, so in algebraic form, you write this as the number of favorable outcomes over the number of possible outcomes. And yes, this is a fraction bar. We are dividing here, okay? So let's do some examples with this. Okay, so you roll a number cube. What is the probability of rolling an odd number? Okay, so just to help us out, I'm going to write out all the different possible outcomes we could get. Okay, so in the denominator, the possible outcomes, the number of them, we have 6. Okay, and what is the probability of rolling an odd number? Well, our odd numbers are 1, 3, and 5. So the number of favorable outcomes of getting that odd number is 3 over 6. Okay, and you could reduce that by dividing both numerator and denominator by 3 and getting 1/2. Next, it says, what is the probability of rolling a number greater than a 2? Okay, so again, the number of possible outcomes is still 6. The numbers greater than a 2 are 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so it really helps me if you just list out what the favorable outcomes are before you try to count them up. Okay, so now I can count them up now that I have them listed, and there are 4 of them. So it's 4 over 6. Simplify it by dividing both the numerator and denominator by 2 to get 2/3. And finally, we have what is the probability of rolling a 7? Okay, so there again are still 6 possible outcomes, and there are no 7s. Okay, so there are 0 favorable outcomes in this instance. So we have 0 out of 6, or we could just say 0. Okay, so that was an example of talking about the very basics of probability just with this number cube. Okay, so now we are actually going to end it there for today. Okay, so hopefully you understood. You've probably talked about probability before. We have defined it as the number of favorable outcomes over the total number of possible outcomes. Okay, we have also talked about how we describe probability, the likelihood of the event, ranging from impossible to certain. Please reach out with any questions.